So in this video, I'm going to give you the exact cheat code to go viral. The exact cheat code. So if you're struggling with your content to get millions of views consistently, then this video is exactly for you. But if you're happy staying at low views and you don't care, you don't want to make any money, you don't want to go viral, then swipe off this video right now because it's not for you. But if this video is for you, stick around until the end and let's dive right into this. So, as you can see, all of these fantastic results, these are just a fraction, a small fraction of the results I've got. These are just ones I just wanted to put in the video because I seen them first, I'll be honest with you. So as you can see, these are just some personal brand ones, these are just light, very light, and then we have more elite results. As you can see here, we have 16 million views, we have 18 million views, we have 11 million views, and then right here we have 10 million views, 8 million views, 400,000. We have 5 million, 5 million, and 7 million, and I'm going to break down all of these videos and how you can replicate this all for free in this video. Like, this is probably one of the best videos you can watch because I'm giving out value for free, unlike all the other fucking gurus. So let's get straight into this. Oh, okay, so the cheat code to going viral. So all of these videos right here, this is important, so make sure you listen. All of these videos right here have one thing, in fact a couple of things in common basically, but I'm going to break it all down in simple terms. They do have a couple of things in common, but the one main thing that it has in common, the one main thing, is the video hooks. That's why these videos went viral, mainly. That's the main reason. Because think about it as this way: if you're scrolling on social media, just doom scrolling, doing whatever you're doing, you're gonna see the first couple of seconds of each video. So you have about 3 seconds to hook people in. This is what you call your video hooks, which is the first 3 seconds typically of your video. So I'm going to teach you how to maximize in this slideshow. I've got many other slideshows in this video on how to maximize video hooks. Let's dive right into this. So we have text to describe the video, the short form video. So as you can see, all of these videos have one thing in common. Specifically with this thing is the text, right? Look at them all: text, 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 and text. This describes the video perfectly. For example, if this video, which is about pitbull, a pitbull literally versus 9 coyotes, if this video hook was like a pitbull fighting, like, it doesn't sound that good, right? You know what I mean? But it just doesn't make sense either. Fighting what are they fighting? You're not giving clear context. So why I put pitbulls versus 9 coyotes, this grabs immediate attention from the viewer. They instantly see that and they see a pitbull, a mean looking pitbull. So right here, the text, we have that, and that instantly gives the viewer an expectation of what to expect from this video just from the first 3 seconds from the hook. They know what they are, well, they know what they're about to get, so they're going to watch until the end if they're interested in this topic. And 16.3 million would say a majority of those was actually interested in this video. We have the same with all of these videos. The Hadza tribe are unbelievable. You know what you're about to get. Why is the Hadza tribe unbelievable? Who is the Hadza tribe? And it clearly shows this. Anyway, the news is all the same as the next one. As you can see, it's got news on it, and the news is all the same. What do you mean the news is all the same? Well, they have different names, so it's kind of confusing. But the viewers know what to get. Like, okay, the news is all the same. Let me find out why. Right here we have cave climbers final moments. These videos popped off. I had another video with like 40 million views, just one. I didn't put this in there, but fuck it. As you can see, cave climbers final moments. Okay, why is he in a cave, and is it his final moments? Is he gonna die? What happens next? That's tension right there. And then we have this other video for a client: how expensive is Dubai? So this is very self-explanatory. I mean, you want to know how expensive Dubai is. And then in this video, it's just a great video. And yeah, so next let's just dive into the visuals to describe the video. Now, what is a visual? It is an image or a clip or a video within your hook. Like, as you can see here, we have a pitbull, we have the tribe, we have the news, we have what's going on here visually. We can clearly see this guy's about to go down this fucking narrow, dodgy path, very dangerous path. And then here, as you can see, we have a visual of Dubai as well, and a woman talking about Dubai. So these are all visuals to describe it. Alright, so using visuals is great because sometimes not everyone, I mean, everyone kind of reads the text, kind of skims through it, quickly has a look and points out the keywords and stuff, but they also look at what's being presented in front of them. That's why it's important to use visuals. Visuals, yeah, again, are just an image or a clip at the start of your video, in your video hook, in the first 3 seconds. So adding something visually that has to do with the entire video is perfect. It helps everything, because 65% of the entire population actually claim that they are visual learners. They learn better visually. So you've got the text for those who don't really care about visuals or don't learn visually. You've got the text. But then for the people who learn visually, which is majority of the population, you have these visual images or videos, you know. So next we have colors to make the text stand out. So as you can see, every single color in these videos is yellow. This helped a lot to make every video stand out, because it introduces caution to the human mind. It introduces like to be aware, you know, of what's about to happen. And also, yellow is the brightest color, or one of the brightest colors to the human eye. So there you go. That's something interesting you might want to use in your next content. Next, we have viral sounds on all clips. All these, I'm not playing them, but all these have viral sounds within them. So this is perfect to engage emotion, especially in the hook. They're going to hear, they use their senses, right? They've used their fingers to scroll, they use their eyes to look at everything that's on the screen, they use their ears to listen, and obviously they're not sniffing or licking the fucking video, but yeah, we've not got to that point yet with social media. I'm sure we will fucking soon. But basically we just have the typical senses, the main senses for watching videos, and then also we have this internal factor, which is engaging emotion through viral sounds. So if you can do that with the sounds, that's going to help so much. You're literally hijacking someone's mind and body right here. Like, doing this, it's fucking overpowered. And then keeping high quality hooks. As you can see, all of these are high quality. Now for the rest of this video, I'm going to go through it really fast. This was the most important part. In fact, no, not the most important part. There is more important parts. I should not say that, because you will miss out. Listen, I actually forgot about this, but let's dive into the next part. How do you find the best overlays, or finding the best overlays? So right here I've labeled Pinterest. This is just one of the best because it's fucking free. Everyone loves free high quality stuff, right? Who doesn't? I do. I'm sure you do. So look at these. Me just searching lifestyle. I don't know if you can see. I can't really zoom in. But me just searching lifestyle, it comes up with these amazing high quality clips, you know. Or you can just get images that are really high quality, right? But for the clips, you need to know this. Once you find whatever clips you want, whether it's lifestyle, luxury, pitbull video, any video you want or picture, you can search it up, and there's so much options. But if you want to download the videos, specifically the videos in high quality, you can't just download them off Pinterest. I don't know why. So use pinterestdownloader.com to download your videos from Pinterest. And these are high quality as well, just as high quality as it is represented right in front of your eyes. So let's get on to the next slide. This slide is crucial. Make sure you use this. Let's get on to the next one anyway. Now the next one, selecting viral sounds for your videos. Right here is a YouTube link to one of these viral sounds. I will leave a link in the description for this. This is just one of many, but if you want to find more viral sounds after I've given you this list of 31 viral sounds, you can just search it on YouTube, viral sounds TikTok. Now you're gonna have to go through a couple of videos, try and find sounds that you really like and that you think, oh, this could be great for a video. There you go. That's all you do. So sad videos equals sad sounds. So any sad videos you're making, make sure you use sad sounds. Don't use some inspiring music over a sad video. Motivational videos, use inspiring sounds. Very simple, etc. You know, choose and find viral sounds specifically, not just some random ass sound that no one really knows or just sounds mid. Specifically use viral sounds because they work the best and they've been proven to work. That's why they are viral sounds. They've been proven to work over and over and over and over again. So why wouldn't you use them? This is a big key factor, so I'm going to leave that link in the description. But let's get on to the next slide before you decide to go off this video and take everything that I've given you for free, because this is going to help you massively. Let's get on to the next slide. Learn to edit viral videos. If you already know how to do this, you can go in the description quickly for free, and just join my Discord community where I'm discussing virality, short form content, personal branding, earning money on social media, and you can get direct access to me. I will reply to any of your guys' questions. I'll network with you guys. It's all for free Discord, join. But if you really want to learn how to edit viral videos, just literally Search up CapCut editing tutorial, you'll find some basic tutorials, very basic tutorials to help you get started. And then here's me. This is my channel. As you can see, I've got a couple of videos up there right now. I don't use this channel anymore, but I literally teach you how to edit viral videos from start to finish. Look how long these videos are. These are great. These are great. These work. So make sure that you guys check out maybe that channel if you're interested. But with that being said, that is literally everything. So make sure you subscribe so I can give you more free knowledge and I can help you go viral more. Why do you not want that? I'm sure you want that. I'm sure you want that. I want to give you free value because in return, you guys get to grow. I get to see you grow, and that is the best thing. That's how you do well in this online space, you know? Help people, provide value, and people will respect you. So make sure you subscribe, like, and even comment anything. Make sure you check the description for your free stuff. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.